Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Luca. 各位小朋友，又係我老家姐姐啦。Today we're gonna do part 4 of the sea animals. 今日我哋做海洋生物嘅第4部分。Miss Luca, make it brighter. The creatures are with me. 啲海洋生物都同我一齊喎。Let's keep looking for that hidden treasure beneath the deep blue sea. 我哋繼續喺海洋入邊揾唔同嘅寶藏。Are you ready? Get your gears ready. 準備好，我哋就拎起我哋嘅裝備，準備出發啦。Let's go！ 出發啦！I hear whistles and clicks coming from that direction. 我聽到啲吱吱聲喎。I spy a waving at me. 有一個生物同我揮手喎。嗰個係咩動物呢？It looks like a fish. 好似一條魚喎。Oh, it's big. 哇，咁大隻嘅。I think I know what it is. 我估到啦。Do you know what it is? 你哋又估唔估到呢？ Yes, I spy a dolphin waving at me. 我見到海豚啦。Are you ready to see the dolphins in real life? 你想唔想喺真實生活入面呢睇下海豚係咩樣呢？ Dolphins are chatty animals. 佢哋好多嘢講㗎。They are intelligent like me. 佢哋好聰明㗎，好似我同你一樣。They sleep with one half of their brain and their eyes closed. 佢哋瞓覺嘅時候，半邊嘅腦袋同埋佢眼睛係合埋嘅。What else can I see in the deep blue sea? 我哋仲可以喺海洋入邊揾到啲乜嘢生物呢？ What will happen to me? 大家又想唔想知道我哋之後會發生咩事呢？ Let's find out in part 5, which is our final episode. 想知道就睇我哋第5部分啦，最後嘅一集。鍾意我哋條片就 like to subscribe. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.